Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would take you with me whilst I kind of get a desk, drawers, something like that, and organise my makeup because it's going a little bit out of control. So I will show you like my makeup room before and after. I say makeup room like this because it's the spare room where I just store it all. But basically Sam and I are going to go to IKEA and have a look around and try and find a desk, so I just thought I'd take you with me. What did you say that IKEA was like, hun?
Toys R Us for grown-ups. That's right, isn't it?
That is not right. So basically, the small one is his side and the large one is like her side. And let's be real, his side is always the biggest. He sleeps right in the middle of the bed, every time. I like the fact that it's black mostly. Black's my favourite colour.
Why is that?
It's the colour of my soul, okay? So like just been around the kitchen areas and they're so pretty. I kind of want to like refurbish the home rather than like get a desk at this stage. Do you not love one of these ovens though? Like a proper oven?
Proper baking oven.
A proper baking oven, that's what you need, and that's what I need so I can eat them all.
Does it do the Great British Bake Off oven drawer thing where it like folds inwards?
I don't
Do it. Try it. Try it. Try it. Try it.
I don't think so. I think it just like opens and it's like they're all locked like these.
Oh, sad.
That's to prevent like idiots from like sticking their heads in ovens. Oh. No, it doesn't. Is this a microwave? Am I just getting confused?
That's a microwave. It's a microwave oven.
Oh. I thought they were proper ovens. I don't know why. Do you think we're going to need another chair?
I don't know if we'll need another chair.
Should we look just in case? Sam, buy me this chair. You're looking at me like I'm a child.
Well, I didn't want to say anything, but...
So rude, so rude. Oh, and it's wheelie. I am a child. So IKEA have this like build your own table kind of section, and I think that's what Sam and I have like decided. So I decided to get that chair because I absolutely love it, and we're now just dragging it over just to compare it to the shades, just to make sure it goes, because otherwise there's not a chance I'm going to know what to do, not at all. So we kind of decided to go for like these white legs on the end here, just two of them, because the idea is like the drawers screw in to support the other end. And then we went for like this oak stained kind of one, because I was thinking the white looked really good with the chair and the natural wood one did. However, I'm going to stain white and I'm going to chip white like really easily because it's like linoleum on top of wood. So I'm totally thinking that the natural wood is going to look really cute, really cute. Yeah, I'm thinking definitely that the white drawers would be the best. I don't like that light grey though, because it's going to get chipped so easy. Like, do you know what I mean? You can see the ones that are going to like chip easy. Like, I'm thinking the white one. The white set, yeah? Yeah. The white set. Casually trying out the IKEA beds. Say hi.
Hello.
Pro vlogger right here, let's be real. I do like that you can have lighting, but yeah, it's definitely like a situation where Sam would be the only person to like reach up there, let's be real. So pretty. Why is all the furniture that we can't afford so pretty? I totally need a mirror like that. Like, totally. It's just me now showing off my outfit, isn't it? Let's be real. I totally want a mirror like that with those lights. So pretty. And this is kind of like the chair we're getting actually, except we're getting it in like a grey material, so it's cheaper and it's not going to be like stuck to your legs or whatever like leather does. But what I want is just eventually just something like that. Like, how pretty is that setup? So Sam and I stopped for coffee and cake. Not that the cake made it to the vlog, clearly, let's be real, it's us. Yeah, we just thought we needed a drink part of the way through. Say hi, Sam. Bless him, he's so uncomfortable. Look at all these fake plants though. I'm definitely going to be able to keep a fake plant alive if we buy a fake plant. Sam was totally mean. He gave me this look that just said, bitch, no. No, you could not keep a fake plant alive. Sam, stop! Sam, stop! He's going to crash into something. He's got no coordination. So I just thought I'd show you guys our study. It's a complete mess at the moment. It's not normally this messy, but this is normally where I film. You may recognise like this bit as like my backdrop. But basically what we're going to do is I'm still going to have this section of the study, And what's going to happen is this is going to be like Sam's desk, and then now we're going to kind of move it to here. This is basically my mess, like completely unedited, haven't tidied any of it. This is most of my makeup. There is like a lot of it all over the top of here as well. So this is the spare room, and hopefully the desk will fit in here and it might create a bit more space in the study. But we'll see, because I got quite a big desk and I did measure and I don't think it's going to quite fit. So we're basically going to put all the furniture together, Sam and I, mostly Sam. And basically what I'm probably going to do is fast forward it a little bit, show you guys putting it up. And then maybe tomorrow, because it's quite late now, I will reorganise the drawers and show you guys all my makeup. So Sam and I built the desk, mostly Sam, let's be real, but it's looking really good and I'm really happy with it. So it's like 1 AM maybe, so I'm not going to do my drawer organising or anything today, so I'll see you guys tomorrow.